Okay, so we're on the Spectrum M8, which is a cheap version of the World Sound PT40. Got a bar out on the display, which I've not investigated. We don't have a lid for the set, but I've no doubt that a scrap PT40 will come around at some point. So if you looked at the tune-up, it's quite a complex arrangement. And we don't have any information. We've got the low TX40, which wasn't very helpful because it's a totally different board. So this is the cheap version, which doesn't have PA. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, we're recording, and I've never switched that radio on.
Yep, roger that. Well, it appears to be working, and we're now coming up to the end of the line.
Excellent.
Roger.
Well, that's half a mile that it works. So if you saw the tune-up video, we got to that coil and it was seized because it's broken. I unsoldered it, but there's nothing I could do and it was starting to collapse. So I'd rather get 3.6 watts out of the set than break it. There was nothing I can do. I don't have a scrap chassis, so that's where it is. So it would be capable of 4 watts because they are.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Right, this is where we're going to be very careful how we set the squelch. The squelch is very insensitive if you looked at the previous video.
Tango 21 comes to Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And I'm on a Spectrum M8, which is an extra cheap version of a World Sound PT40. It's doing 3.6 watts over.
Roger that, all received.
Excellent.
Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. That was good for Grayleys. That's our worst one at the 5 mile point, surrounded by trees and a bit of a dip. His next one is the final one at 6 miles. Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, also known as Grayleys Level Crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Well, didn't that work well? We know lots of brand new sets that don't work as well as that. So there you are. It may be a heap of junk, but it works well. So we'll put it on one side, and no doubt a lid will come along in a batch of scrap at some point, and we can look into it and do a few more bits to finish it off. Get some knobs that way. That shouldn't be black either. That's probably off a low TX40.
Tango 21 testing the Spectrum M8 into our Harris CBHQ base station on a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5. 54321, and as ever, thanks for watching.